Struggling to get customers? Your business is great, but if no one knows about it, you're invisible. Here are the best marketing strategies to grow your small business. Problem: why most businesses fail. Most small businesses rely on word of mouth or outdated tactics, but in 2024, that's not enough. If you're not using the right marketing strategies, you're losing customers to your competitors. I've proven strategies. Get found on Google when people search for your service. Optimize your Google business profile and get more local leads. 2, social media ads, Facebook and Instagram ads let you target the right people without wasting money. 3, email and SMS automation, follow up with leads automatically so you never lose a potential customer. 4, content marketing, post valuable tips on YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn to build trust and attract customers. 5, referral and loyalty programs. Encourage happy customers to bring in new ones for free. Want to automate your marketing and save time? Get a free 14-day trial of GoHighLevel, link in bio. The big realization: smart businesses market smarter, not harder. Start growing today.